Are you using a Cash App business account, but no longer selling products, services, or collecting donations? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch back to a personal account so you can avoid unnecessary fees and get back to a simpler experience. First, here's something most users don't realize. You can't directly switch from business to personal inside the settings like you can when going from personal to business. The only way to make this change is by contacting Cash App support, but don't worry, the process is simple and quick if you follow the right steps. Here's what you need to do. Open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, go to the Personal tab. Scroll down, and you'll see an option to switch to a personal account. When you tap that, Cash App will show a message telling you to contact their support team. Simply tap on Contact Support, and then choose the chat option to speak with a support representative. When the chat opens, clearly state that you'd like to change your account type from business to personal because you're no longer using it for business transactions or donations. Once you've explained your situation, the support team will guide you through the steps and confirm when the switch is complete. And that's it. You're back to a personal account and can enjoy lower fees for sending and receiving payments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Cash App tutorials. I've also included helpful links in the description if you need direct access to Cash App support.